As the project progresses, several team members express concern about the direction of their tasks, feeling uncertain about how their individual effort contributing to the project objective. This uncertainty has resulted in decreased motivation and collaboration amongst the team members. What should the project manager do to address the situation? So this question is pointing out to a motivation problem. And major issue seems to be that people don't see the contribution, the achievement. They are not getting a feeling of a sense of achievement by doing the work. They are feeling that we are doing something, but we don't know what exactly we are contributing to. So that seems to be the situation from the question. Now, what should I do? I should create a sense of achievement in my people. I should help them in seeing the big picture. I should help them how the business and stakeholders are getting value from their work. So I should focus on that area. Let's see which are the options which helps me in doing that work. Option A, re-evaluate the reward and recognition system to ensure it aligns with project objective. Now, we are saying that people are demotivated, but they may not be demotivated because of reward and recognition problem. And if it is like we are rewarding people even if they are not working for project success, if that was a problem, then this option can work. But here, yes, there is a motivation issue, but probably a reward and recognition system has less to do with it. So I probably skip it and go to the next one. Clarify the broader impact and significance of the deliverable to the stakeholder. This option indicates that I am focusing on achievement. I am focusing on showing their contribution. I am creating a sense of achievement or a sense of delivery in my team members. And I am also setting up the shared vision and a mission for delivery of our project. A very good option. Let's see if we get a better one before we conclude the B is the right answer. Option C, diversify task by involving the team in end user training session. It can be a good idea, not better than B, but it's a good idea. It indirectly probably indicates that if I show the people the end user perspective, if I bring them to more customer front or a customer centric or customer exposed activities, they will see how their work is contributing and they may get motivated. Many times, if you give your team members opportunity to present the system to the stakeholders, work with the stakeholders, can create a sense of achievement in them, but not very directly addressing it. We are adding a lot of assumptions to make sense out of C option. So and we already have a B which is better one, but we just wanted to understand that these kind of activities can create some amount of sense of achievement. Option D, arrange a team building event to provide a break and rejuvenate team spirit. Yes, it's a motivation problem, but the problem is not associated with team building. The problem is not associated with we are feeling stressed about work. It is not. It is more about we don't see our contribution. We don't see what is happening because of our work. So, since the reason of demotivation is different, this type of motivational experiment or motivational activity or a team building activity may not be needed at this stage. So overall, we can definitely go with B option, which is all about creating the shared understanding, setting up the right vision, leading and inspiring people by showing them the impact and using some of the motivational theory concepts as well. Now, if I map it to a PMP exam content outline, it is primarily focusing to task two. That's how I see lead a team. We need to set a clear vision and mission. We need to inspire, motivate, influence team members and stakeholders so they really feel that they matters and they contribute to the project success. When we talk about topics, I think it relates to motivational theories significantly. Most of the motivational theories talks about that person has a need of achievement. It is just not that you give them a money or you give them more incentive will motivate them. We need to give them a sense of achievement. So that is very clearly coming out in this particular question. And the problem was also associated with not having sense of achievement, and inspiring and leading team and finding the appropriate actions based on the situation is also a leadership skill is definitely getting tested in this particular question. So overall, you show them the big picture, and that's why the option B looks great in this particular situation.